Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this garlic butter shrimp with cauliflower rice. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're making a super easy 30-minute sheet pan meal with shrimp and cauliflower rice. We're going to start by mixing everything in a bowl. So we've got about 1.5 pounds of shrimp that have been peeled and deveined. I just buy them already peeled, and I buy them frozen, and then I thaw them. That just makes it super simple. And now we've got these. You could rice your own cauliflower with like a large head of cauliflower, but I just like to buy these frozen bags. Again, frozen. It's just so simple when you choose frozen ingredients. Just makes this recipe so simple. So this is already riced cauliflower, and I get 2 bags, so each bag is 20 ounces. Oh no, I'm sorry, each bag is 10 ounces. So that's 20 ounces of riced cauliflower. And you want that riced cauliflower to be thawed, because if it's not, it's going to make your melted butter like get hard again. So I'm just gonna lightly stir this. And now we're gonna add 1 stick of melted butter, which is 1/2 cup of butter for our garlic butter. And I like to use salted butter, but you don't have to. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic. This is 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. So now we're just gonna mix it all up. And now I've got a sheet tray. You don't have to put any butter or spray or anything like that. We've got butter in this, so it's fine. So we're gonna pour this on our sheet tray, or dump. We're gonna dump it on our sheet tray. And then just spread it out in an even layer. And that is it for this recipe. That's how simple it is. So now we're gonna bake this in the oven for 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until your shrimp are cooked all the way through. They're gonna be pink and they're gonna be delicious. Okay, our shrimp and cauliflower rice, garlic butter shrimp and cauliflower rice is out of the oven, and it looks amazing. So let's try a bite. This makes 4 very generous servings, and it does get kind of liquidy in there. You know, that's just because it's cauliflower and shrimp. Like, both of them are going to release a lot of liquid. You could scoop it out with a slotted spoon, or you could just eat it like it is, because I'm sure that is pretty flavorful, because it's going to have like butter in it and garlic and be super delicious. So let's try this out. That is good. It doesn't get much more simple, and it really doesn't get much more delicious, if I do say so myself. Perfectly seasoned, so delicious. And this makes 4 very generous servings, and each serving is under 400 calories and a few carbs, nothing too extreme. It is so perfect for meal prep or just dinner. So dinner is served. Be sure you check out this recipe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.